Hey everyone! Exporting your data from TradingView is essential for deep dive analysis in Excel, backtesting results, or keeping your own trading journal. In 2026, the process is quick, but it varies slightly depending on whether you want raw price data or your strategy results. Here is how to get it done. Step 1. Locating the Export menu. We are starting at the top right toolbar. We're heading to the Layout Management dropdown, the small arrow next to your layout name or the Cloud Save icon. We do this because the export function is integrated into your workspace management settings. Click the arrow dropdown in the top right. Select Export Chart Data from the list. Keep in mind that for the 2026 version, native CSV exporting typically requires a Plus or Premium plan. Once you trigger the menu, you aren't just saving a file, you are telling TradingView to scrape the live data from your chart. What happens is TradingView will ask which specific chart in your layout you want to export. It doesn't just grab price, it captures every indicator you have active. If you have RSI, MACD, and a 200-day EMA on your screen, those values will each get their own column in your spreadsheet. You will be prompted to choose a time format, Unix timestamp, raw numbers. Use this if you are a programmer or using automated backtesting software. ISO time, human-readable dates. Choose this if you are opening the file in Excel or Google Sheets. After clicking Export, a .csv file is generated instantly. If you are a Plus or Premium user, this file will contain the open, high, low, close, and volume OHLVC for every single candle, allowing you to run professional-grade audits of your trading strategies offline. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.